In this video, we are going to be folding an owl bookmark. This is Leyla Torres of origamispirit.com. This is cami paper, white side facing up. Rotate and we're going to fold from corner to corner in half. Unfold, rotate and repeat. Unfold, turn it over, bring the corner to the center, making a fold about here. Rotate and repeat. Turn it over. We create a fold about here, bringing this edge to the center, but we allowed the layer underneath to pop out. Rotate and repeat here. We are going to create a fold from the corner to the edge, bringing the raw edge to the folded edge. Unfold, repeat on this side. Unfold, rotate, repeat on this side. Unfold, bring this flap up. We create a fold about here by bringing the corner to the intersection. Bring the flap back down, and we're going to fold along this and the center. That little flap, we're going to leave it on the left for the moment, and we're going to rotate and repeat. We look at this white rhombus area. We are going to create a pinch mark at the center by bringing the corner to here. We are going to make a valley fold along here by bringing this corner to that pinch mark. Bend the paper, corner to the pinch mark. We're going to unfold, and we're going to reinforce a fold that we already have here by making it into a mountain fold. And we pleat. We're going to turn it over. We have our pleat there, and we're going to be narrowing this area. To do that, we're going to create a valley fold along here by bringing the folded edge to the center. In the process, we're going to press underneath to finish the crease, and then press from above and flatten. Squash fold. Rotate and repeat on this side. Turn it over, and we're going to create a fold along here by bringing this corner to this central point. We're going to rotate, open. We create a diagonal fold here by bringing this crease to align with the edge. Repeat here. This crease aligns with the edge. We press from behind and bring that flap down. We have this inner edge and this. We will mark a crease along that edge. We rotate for the moment to make it easier and make a crease from this corner to this corner. Rotate and repeat. We rotate back to this position, insert our fingers there, and flatten from this folded edge. Repeat here. We will create a fold along here by bringing the corner up. Now we create a fold about here just by bringing the corner down again, just a little below this edge. We unfold and we bring this back up. We have a mountain fold here. We're going to turn it into a ballet fold to bring the flap down. And this, we bring it up. We refold along here. We can rotate for the moment and we're going to create mountain fold along this edge. It can be a soft mountain fold, it doesn't have to be hard. And along this edge, repeat on this side. We can make a mountain fold along here on the beak so that that little flap stays close to the body. And the little feet can come up and they should be at 90 degrees against the body so that it looks like it's standing. We can also shape the head by making a soft mountain fold along here in a curved fashion. We just can use our creativity to make it. Here is our bookmark. The owl stands on the book.